Hey folks, my name is Tommy Reynolds, and on Saturday the 18th of April, I'm going to be hosting my brand new lighting workshop in London. Now the location I've chosen for this workshop is going to be Sprat Factory. You may have already seen this location in a previous YouTube video before. I can't wait to be coming back and hosting my next workshop here. It's easily one of my favourite locations that I've worked with, so I'm so pleased that I'm going to be inviting 12 people to come along to be a part of this workshop. Now this workshop will help fast track your lighting skills to get you really comfortable using multiple strobes. You'll learn my end-to-end process of how I build a setup from scratch, and also how I interact and communicate with models to make them feel at ease. I'll also be on hand to give you instant feedback and expert guidance during each of the setups that we do throughout the day. So this workshop is aimed at photographers who may already have some experience in a studio environment, or may have some experience using off-camera flash. Maybe you already own a light, maybe you have a speed gun, and you just want to take your work to the next level, really master that one light, or see what it's like when you start adding more lights to make it an additive process. After this workshop, not only will you have gained the right knowledge, but probably as importantly is you will have gained the confidence needed to be able to go out there and recreate these yourself, and have that confidence in your own ability and improve your portfolio exponentially, starting with the images that you'll capture during this workshop. Another great thing about this location, not to mention that it looks amazing, it looks like a really rustic New York apartment, but because of the ambient light that exists in that room, it's going to be a great exercise for you to know how to balance the ambient and the flash together to create a motivated light, a light that actually looks realistic and not just fake. We're going to look at how we can combine those two to really get some really cool results in this location. So if you are interested in this workshop, then I will leave a link in the description below to my brand new training website where you can book your spot onto this workshop. So please do check that out, but I really do hope that I can see you during the group session on Saturday the 18th of April. It should be a really great laugh, and yeah, I can't wait to see you guys there. Cheers, bye bye.
The big thing that I've learned today is learning about to communicate with the models actually. Flash is something I've not really done before. I've done little bits with the family, but a lot of it's confidence and actually knowing how to set the kit up, how to move it. You know, I kept finding I was losing settings and stuff, and it's really, I think it comes down to having someone sit down, show you how to do it properly, and practice it.
Tommy has such a great way of teaching people that beginners and more advanced people can all benefit from his workshops.
I really feel like I've come away with a lot more self-confidence in how to use off-camera flash, lots of little bits of information and sort of hints and tips that I can quickly use and apply going forward, and really looking forward to trying out the gear I already have and hopefully getting more out of it than I have been doing.
Couldn't recommend Tommy's workshop enough, it's just been fantastic.